In section 10.2, we are going to find the monthly payment on your mortgage loan, and we're also going to find the total amount of interest you will pay back to the bank over the course of that loan. So we have a chart. This chart's in the back of the book. It's also on page 346 of your textbook. And it's going to look very similar to what we did back in chapter 9 when we did the car loan, when you got a loan to buy your car. We've got a chart in here. We're going to use the chart to figure out the amount we're going to pay back per 1,000 that we borrow. And to find this number on the chart, just like you did with your car loan, they're going to give you an interest rate down the left-hand side. They're going to give you a number of years across the right. Where those two meet up, it's going to give you a number. That's the amount you're going to pay back per $1,000 that you borrow. So I'm going to show you an example straight from the book. And this is on page 347. And they do a very nice job of breaking it down into steps to show you exactly what has to be done here. So we have Carol and Adam Burke. They're going to get an $80,000 mortgage loan. Interest rate's going to be 8%. The loan's going to be for 30 years, and it's going to be paid in equal monthly payments that will include interest. It wants us to find the total amount of interest that is being charged. Now, to find the total amount of interest being charged, you're also going to have to find your monthly payment. And this section will ask you to do both parts. So let's do the first step here, which is to find the monthly payment. Your monthly payment is going to be found by using this chart over here. Now, the first thing you will do is you're going to take the amount of the loan. Your mortgage loan was for $80,000, and we're going to divide that by 1,000. The reason we do that, if you go back to your chart, the chart we have here is for a $1,000 loan. So we're going to take our $80,000 loan that we're going to get, and we're going to break that into thousands. And then you're going to multiply that by the number in the chart. So your $80,000 loan is going to have an 8% interest rate for 30 years. If I go to my chart, 8% interest rate, come down to 8, and we're going to go across to 30 years. That's $7.34 for every $1,000 we borrow. So we come back over here. Here's the number of thousands we're borrowing. We're going to multiply it by that $7.34 we got from the chart. That gives us $587.20. That's going to be your monthly payment for your mortgage loan. So there's your first step, find the monthly payment. Now the second thing we're going to do is figure out how much money we're going to pay back to the bank over the course of this loan. This loan is going to be 30 years long, and every month we're going to pay back payments to the bank. That's going to include interest. So we want to figure out how much we pay in interest back to the bank. So in step 2, they'll take you through this. Here's your monthly payment, $587.20. We're going to make that payment every month for 30 years. Every year has 12 months in it. We're going to do it for 30 years. If you take 12 times 30, you get 360. That's going to be the total number of payments you will make to the bank over those 30 years. Each month you're going to pay $587.20. You're going to do that for 360 months. Comes out to a total of $211 and $211,392. So this is the amount you're going to pay back to the bank over the course of the 30 years. To figure out how much you paid in interest, we just go back to where we started. We paid back this much to the bank over the course of 30 years. We originally borrowed $80,000. If you subtract those two, it comes out to $131,392. That's how much money you paid in interest to the bank over the course of 30 years to get that loan for your house. And that is fairly common. Typically, you will pay more back in interest than you actually end up borrowing. So there is your setup to find your monthly payment, which would be the first step. And then to find the total interest paid to the bank would be your third step, step 3 here.